Most people buy cough drops. I made mine from my backyard. These are Horehound cough drops, something I made for our emergency preparedness team at church. Horehound is known to support the respiratory system, help with coughs, and relieve mucus naturally. And the best part, I'm growing it right in my backyard. They actually came out really good. Some people said they taste better than Vicks. And these are sugar-free and they last at least 12 months unrefrigerated. I'm still tweaking the recipe, but this is exactly why learning to make your own remedies matters. Follow Homestead. I'm showing you how to grow it, make it, and use it.